Sakubona mfundi, ngiyakwamukela kulanga lechumi lambili ele-21 day Ndebele challenge. Ngizakupha imicho ngesikhiwa, ngifisa ukuthi wena uyikhulume ngesindebele. Angithi. So I'm giving you some sentences in English. Say them out loud in Ndebele. Let's interact, okay? If you need to pause so that you think of how you're supposed to say this in Ndebele, go ahead and do that so that you practice your Ndebele. Asqalise. Number 1, I will sing on Tuesday. Sithini ngesindebele? Ngizahlabela ngolwesibili. Angithi. What if you want to add more detail? To say I will sing a song on Tuesday. Ngizahlabela ingoma ngolwesibili. All right. Let's move on to number 2, where you say I will speak on Saturday. Uthini ngesindebele? Ngizakhuluma ngoMgqibelo. Angithi. What if you want to specify I will speak to mom on Saturday? Sithini? Ngizakhuluma lo mama ngoMgqibelo. All right. Siya number 3, I will cook on Monday. I will cook on Monday. Ngizapheka ngoMvulo. Angithi. How about I will cook meat on Monday? I will cook meat. Ngizapheka inyama ngoMvulo. Right. Siyaqhubeka siya number 4, I will run on Sunday. I will run on Sunday. Ngizagijima ngeSonto. Take note, ngeSonto for Sunday. Angithi. Ngizagijima. What if you want to say I will run with my brother on Sunday? Ngizagijima lo mnewethu ngeSonto. Angithi. Are you getting this? Are you winning? Number 5, I will read on Thursday. Ngesindebele? Ngizabala ngolwesine. Angithi. I will read a book on Thursday. Ngizabala ugwalo ngolwesine. Angithi. Right. Number 6, uthi yena I will write on Friday. I will write. Ngizabhala ngolwesihlanu. What if you want to say I will write homework on Friday? Ngizabhala umsebenzi wangekhaya ngolwesihlanu. Are you getting it right? Number 7, I will take a bath on Wednesday. Angithi. Because it's winter time and today is Monday, so but you want to say that I'll take a bath on Wednesday. Not today, not tomorrow. Uyathini? Ngizageza ngolwesithathu. Angithi. What if you want to say I will wash my face on Wednesday? Ngizageza ini? Ubuso ngolwesithathu. Angithi. Right, so that's how you use amalanga eviki in sentences. That's how you talk about things that you're going to do using the days of the week. Angithi. So what about you? What do you have in mind to do on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Saturday? What are you going to be doing on Saturday? Let me know in the comments. Bhala ngesindebele ngiza -- ngomgqibelo. Angithi. And let me see you in the next lesson.